Here's how one mindset shift can help you make more money. When it comes to making money, there are all types of roadblocks that can occur. One of the common roadblocks is always thinking of money in terms of what's fair. Let me explain. Back in the day, Disney hired then talent agent Michael Ovitz to run Disney. He was hired as the president and given a multi-million-dollar annual salary. On top of that, he's given to what's referred as a golden parachute, meaning if the company were to terminate him after being employed for over a year, he would receive over $100 million. So Michael did go on to run the company, and he was let go due to poor performance. Now, because of this severance clause, he received over $100 million after being terminated. $100 million for doing a bad job. Imagine that. You work a job, you receive a multi-million-dollar salary, you do so bad at the job that they fire you, and after only a year, the company still pays you over $100 million. I tell this story to help you shape what's fair from your vocabulary. Is it fair that someone should make that much money for doing a bad job? I don't think so. This is why I don't strictly think in terms of what's fair. Instead, you should think in terms of creating a win-win situation. For instance, are you applying for jobs right now? Don't ask them to pay you what is fair. Instead, ask them to pay you what you would like to be paid. How much would a win be for you? On their end, let them decide how much they can pay you and it still be a win for them. Do not just let them pay you what they want to pay you. That would only be a win for them. Ask to be paid what you want to be paid so that it's a win for you too. In my last role, I asked for $15K more annually than what they were offering. And they said yes, but they only said yes because I asked. So go out and ask for what you want. I just sold a coaching program teaching students how to land a social media job. I charged $1,000 for the training. I had a student take me up on the offer and now we're working together. I put an offer out that was a win for me, and the only people that I want to take that offer are the ones that consider it to be a win for them too. Don't put any limitations on yourself. Go out there and ask for what you want. I thank God you found this video. Comment below. Name a win-win situation you created for your life. If you don't have any, when are you going to make one?